construction? Come on.
Road construction is really cool. It takes a lot of money and a lot of people to build a road right. And if it's not done right, the taxpayer gets mad.
What kind of equipment do you use to build a road?
Well, we use cranes to build bridges with to lift things up in the air. We use excavators, which could be front-end loaders or dozers or scrapers or backhoes to dig the road bed out and build the road bed so we can load the material in a dump truck and haul it off.
What are the different jobs involved of building a road?
Well, there's the inspectors who make sure the contractor does his job right, and then there's a contractor, and he has carpenters who build bridges. They work with wood. We have iron workers who lay the steel down to make the bridge work right, and we have laborers who shovel dirt and rocks, and operators who drive all the big pieces of equipment. There's all sorts of different people out there, and they all work together to make us a road.
What kind of challenges do you come across when you build a road?
We run into all kinds of challenges to build a highway. First of all, there's environmental considerations that we have to worry about. That's that we protect the land and the water and the fish and the animal life along our highways. We have to protect the people against noise from the highways. Then when you're actually building the project, you can run into all sorts of stuff when you dig into the ground and into the street that you didn't know was there. And it creates a different kind of challenge because you have to figure out how to make the thing work.